What up, people? In this video, we're going to talk about the laziest way to make money online. It's going to be real simple. Before we get into it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, W in the chat, and sub up to the channel. The laziest way to make money online and or YouTube is creating content. It is the number one thing that you can do every single day, and it be a digital marketing for your whole brand. It's a digital marketing for your whole brand. Every day you post, you have to understand that you are just climbing that hill, right? Content creation is the future. AI is the future. Can't beat it. Join it. Understand that I don't see what could be better on a day-to-day basis than you recording what you do on a day-to-day basis. Recording your content. You don't got to make content, just record it. Right? Document it. Show what you've been doing every single day. Understand that right there is going to make you your money. You want to get monetized on YouTube? Content creation. Okay? Content creation is pretty much however you want to do it, you do it. But content creation is the best way. If you don't know what to record, just press the button. Go from there. Make 10 videos. See which video is the best video. Make a second video of that one. Do 10 more videos. Repeat the process. Understand you got to keep going. Trial, error, trial, error, trial, error. Understand the process. Enjoy the process. By posting every day, you are making a psyche move and a physical movement where you're going to condition your body and your mind to do something on a daily basis. And by doing that, you're going to get better at it. If I could speak with my younger self, I would definitely make hella content. Waking up in the morning, evening, afternoon, working out, it doesn't matter. Creating content, okay? Now, after you do that so many times, you're going to want to tweak things, and that's how you go about it. Tweak it. Get 1% better every single day. Content creation, getting monetized on YouTube. A lot of new creators and new YouTubers want to do this, and they just don't know how to go about it. So for any beginners out there who like, you know what, I'm just stuck. I just don't know how to start, where to start. Just make content. If you gotta make a new channel, you can always make a new channel. And then that channel is probably gonna get better than your previous channel because you know what to do, right? So you just gotta understand, you gotta make content first and then go from there. Once you make that content and then get better at it, you good. I would say make 100 videos and then start being like, you know what, I don't think this is working, that's not working. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta make a lot of videos. Some people not so much. It is what it is. Do what you gotta do, then go from there. If you inhale right now, and it sucks. You working at 9 to 5. It's hell. Keep going. Why stop there? Keep going. You already in hell. Try to run down the hallway. All right. When you have the ability, all you have to do is press a button and the job is done. Now, whether you edit it and you record it a certain way, that's on you. That's you and your feelings. What you get out is what you put in. It's a process. It's a process. Take it for what it is. All right? Making money online is in everybody's interest who's watching this video right now. Everybody who's watching this video wants to make money online. Why would you not? Right? And the saying is, money ain't everything, but everything needs money. So what do? Money ain't everything, but everything needs money. It is what it is. The best way to make money, and I get, like, whatever you do, you want to enjoy it. I get that. But I also want money to come to me the easiest and or the laziest way possible. Especially for beginners. That's all they want. They want the easy. Obviously you don't want the hard parts of it. So yeah, I want the easiest and the laziest way to make money. And then I branch off of that. Then I get better at that. Content creation. Whether you're a teenager, whether you're an adult, whether a man, a woman, boy, girl, right? Content creation should be like a requirement for everybody. Why do I say that? Because it's your own brand. If you don't record your own brand, who else is going to record it? If you don't record your content in a day in your life, who else is going to record it? They have their own life. That's why everybody should record it, because you have to understand, like, people's lives are very interesting to other people. Like, your life is very interesting to somebody else. You have your community, you have all your followers. They haven't found you yet. You have to understand that. And I understand that. Like, everybody would be appealing to a lot of people in some type of way, right? And what I mean by that is, you know how everybody had, like, not everybody, but certain people, high status people, have fans, right? Taylor Swift have Swifties, you know what I'm saying? But I believe Taylor Swift is a normal chick. She's a normal girl. Nothing crazy about her, right? But she has her community. And I believe everybody can have their Taylor Swift community. All right? Everybody can have their gang, their Swifties, in a sense, right? You just got to put yourself out there. No one's going to find out about you if you don't put yourself out there. I know you think you got to get dressed up and all that. Man, look at me. Like, I ain't getting dressed up. Got my hat on. You know what I'm saying? It ain't about getting dressed. It's about what's in the video, not what you're wearing in the video. Okay? What are you talking about in the video? What type of content is in the video? All right? And then you go from there. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace!